Hi, this is Rachelle at Scrapcraftastic, and I was sitting down to do some work in my work planner and decided I should turn the camera on. So I'm going to be working on the monthly setup for February. I know I'm very late, but it is what it is. This is my February title page or beginning page for the month. So I did finish that. And I do need to do the weekly setup for this week too. Of course, like I said, I'm way behind, but we're getting there. So this is last week's setup. So I need to do this week. But for now, I'm just going to focus on the monthly. So I have this washi tape. So I don't even know if this Jub, or I don't know how to pronounce it, is still in business. I've had this washi tape kind of stuck in the front of my washi drawer since 2020. Hopefully it's still good. It says Black Girl Magic. So I'm going to use that. Like, it just ripped. Phooey. I wonder if I can salvage that. I'm gonna try to salvage it and use it in my boxes. Okay, so there is that, and I know that looks a little wonky right there, but we will fix it with something. This is my favorite, but I think I want to use this one because of the color scheme. I like this color scheme. So I'm going to use her on the monthly. Oh, and these stickers are from CHELA Creates, and I do have a discount code. It is in the description box below, along with the link to their shop. And then I think I want to use a smaller one. And I guess I can save the rest for something else another time. Hopefully I can use it before it goes bad. Now, what other color washi do I want to use? I got options because of this and this. Should I do this so it can kind of tie in with Valentine's Day? Let's grab these three. Let's see what we can do. Just put that under her dress to kind of ground it a little bit. All right, let's see, where else can I put some? I'm gonna put this up here in the empty boxes. I'm gonna go ahead and put the bow washi up at the top, but I think I'm gonna use, I don't know, let's see how the big one looks. Let's use the little one this time. Let's put some here. I want to put this down here. It might be too much red, but I think I'm gonna do it. I wish I would think of these things before I put the stickers down. But well, I messed that one up, but we're gonna still use it. All of this down at the bottom is not perfect, but it's cool. Let's see what other stickers I can find from CHELA Creates that I can use on this. Oh, these are mine. I need to cut these down. Let's see. We can use Hope on this one. I'm really loving the vertical text because it covers up a multitude of errors. Okay, this is from Rosa Parks, I think. I have learned over the years that when one's mind is made up, this diminishes fear. I think I'm gonna use that one. But I don't like the way that looks right there. Let's put it here. And then let's use this one from Harriet Tubman. Every great dream begins with a dreamer. Put that one there. I want to put freedom. I think that's good. That works. Yes? No? Okay. Let's put it back. I should put some stickers. Let's put down some paydays. Don't I have some other paydays that are a little fancier? Let's see. There we go. Let's use these. Let's put this right here. Excuse my finger, I hurt it yesterday. And then this one right here. I need to find my dots. Okay. So I'm gonna do this like this. Pop that in. And pop that in. Do I want to cover the February? I think I do. Let's put a February sticker. Can use something from the February kit. I probably should have used this February, but it's okay. Let's do 2022. Right there. Then Valentine's Day is on the 14th. Lunar New Year was on the 1st. Ooh, when was President's Day? I don't remember. And it was Groundhog's Day, the 1st or the 2nd? I have to look it up. So February 21st is President's Day, and Groundhog's Day was the 2nd. Yeah, I remember hearing some people trying to figure out if it was the 1st or the 2nd. I thought it was the 2nd, but when I heard them debating, it kind of made me wonder. So I just want to make sure. But these stickers, I do them monthly. They are available to patrons. I feel like I want to go around these dresses a little bit. Not necessary. Okay, let's go on to the week. And I have no idea what I want to do here, but let's do something. Okay, let's see what we got here from Caliber Plan. I kind of like this. Let's see if I can find some purplish washi to use. Okay, I think I can work with this. Let's see what happens. Okay, I'm going to put her down, and I'll probably be sorry for doing it too early without putting down some boxes first. And I'll just at least get her ready. Let's try this instead of the pink. Let's see what boxes go with this. I think that bright blue goes with it too. I can tie all this in, maybe. You can still kind of see the 7. Okay, let me get some boxes. I think I need some yellow. Maybe. Does this butterfly go? Let's do this quote from Muhammad Ali. He who is not courageous enough to take risks will accomplish nothing in life. Do I want to put this up here? I think I want to put it up there. And then, okay, I like this Stacey Abrams quote too. Do not allow setbacks to set you back. This is Ruth Bader Ginsburg. Fight for the things that you care about, but do it in a way that will lead others to join you. I like that. Okay, that's enough. I like these little quotes. They're not like the typical quotes that we get in our planner stuff. Okay, so I realized that the colors are kind of all over the place. I know, but I kind of like it. Let's get a few of these dots, but I want some that are that bright blue. Okay, I don't like that right there. All right, I think that's enough of that. It might not be completely balanced, but it's good. It's colorful. It's fun. I use some of my favorite stickers, these butterflies and this doll. So let's pop it in, see what we got. Definitely need to come back and do tabs. So here we go. This is what we got. So I hope you enjoyed this video. It wasn't my typical one because I was kind of more focused on what I was doing. But yeah, I think that's probably how the work planner videos will be in the future. But that's it. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Also, make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit that little gray bell so that you'll receive notification each time I upload a new video. Be sure to check the community tab and my stories for updates throughout the week. Also, check us out over at patreon.com/Scrapcraftastic for exclusive content and digital downloads. Visit my other channel, Journal Life's Journey, for craft videos and junk journals. You can find me across social media at Scrapcraftastic. Visit my website and shop at Scrapcraftastic.com. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them below. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.